Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Roadie driver app. First, once you download the application from App Store or Play Store, you will have to sign in. Once you sign in, you will see the map, just like so. You'll have to go to the map. And here, as you can see, you have many gigs. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gigs. When you click on the gig, it will show you exactly from where is the start point and where does it end and how much money will it cost or how much money will you get from this gig. Want to need more information about the gig? Simply click on the gig, just like so. And here you can see more and more details about the item that you need to deliver, how many items, how much does it weigh, and the longest dimension of the thing that you are going to deliver, and where is the start point and the end point, how long will it take, when should it be done, and so on. So now, if you are actually satisfied with this gig or do you want to apply for it, simply click on submit offer down below right here. It will show here offer submitted. Then you will get a notification if this gig is assigned to you. Simply tap on the notification. It will guide you through the gig and the work that you are going to do. Now, after you hit start, it will show you here the pickup address, the pickup person, and any special notes to know before you arrive. Now, you need to know that you need to use the app to mark that you have arrived and make sure to follow any unique instructions left in the pickup notes. You will need to verify you have the right items, usually by taking a photo or scanning the order, just like so. And once you are satisfied with the photo, you can simply click on this icon. Then you are good to head to drop off. Use the app to mark that you have arrived at the delivery location and read the delivery notes in case there are any special instructions. At delivery, be sure to take a photo and mark where you left the items. Some gigs may also require a signature, so you'll need to sign physically just like so. Then hit the submit. Not you that you are going to sign, but the person that have actually collected or got the item delivered. Now, if you run into any issues on a gig, you can simply click on the Get Help button, and you have many options that you can actually choose from. You can even connect to a live support agent. You should see the payment for your delivery in your driver dashboard. And even if you want to cancel a gig, you can cancel it by using the application. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was clear and helpful. Please support us with like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.